So let me start with what we are not doing, okay? So we do not bring data, we do not have data, we do not take data. We are not even a data company, we're actually a software company that helps organizations and institutions to understand their data better, to drive better decisions. So we're kind of like data logistic platform in highly regulated and complex environments. So institutions and organizations rarely succeed in making most out of the data. Why? Because it's unstructured and through scale also unmanageable. And so we build, we bring them together in a united platform, accessible for authorized subject matter experts. And like easy, like when you understand your data better, you make better decisions, you have better outcomes. So if you if you increase production, you produce more cars. If you are more efficient in supply chain, then you save money. If you understand customer markets better, you sell more, and so on and so on. So we help organizations and institutions to understand their own already accessible data better.